It's the most popular anti-aging longevity supplement on the market today, and it might be very bad for those who have cancer. And I'm not talking about anything exotic, rather, I'm talking about vitamin B3 and its derivatives, niacin, nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, and nicotinamide riboside. Now, these supplements are heavily promoted online by both influencers and even some medical professionals. And while most research on these nutrients find that they are indeed safe for healthy people, if you have cancer, that may be a different story. In this study, researchers wanted to see what happens when pancreatic cells are exposed to chemotherapy with and without these vitamin B3 supplements. And they looked at three things that chemotherapy is supposed to do: damage DNA, stress the mitochondria, and trigger cancer cells to self-destruct, a process known as apoptosis. And here is the inconvenient truth that the influencers will probably never tell you because they're not reading the research, and it's this: when cancer cells were treated with NMN, chemotherapy worked worse. In other words, it wasn't as effective at killing off the cancer cells. In laboratory tests, the cancer cells needed between 3 and 7 times more chemotherapy to actually be effective. One of the things that NMN is supposed to do is make the mitochondria more active, and it did. It made the mitochondria in the cancer cells more active. It increased their energy production. It reduced the oxidative stress in the mitochondria, and it blocked apoptosis. Basically, NMN helped the cancer cells survive. And as for nicotinamide riboside, it did the same thing, but it was a smaller effect. And niacinamide likewise also did the same thing, but it was the least problematic. But make no mistake, all three forms appear to be promoting the lengthening of life of the cancer cells. In mice, pancreatic tumor cells actually grew faster when they were given NMN or niacinamide, even during chemotherapy. And that's important because chemotherapy is supposed to overwhelm cancer and cause apoptosis. These supplements appear to be suppressing that effect. Now, in all fairness, these results are derived from cell studies and mouse studies, which is very different than human clinical trials, so they do need to be replicated. Nonetheless, cancer is very serious, and if you have cancer, you really want to be careful about the dietary supplements you take. If you are thinking of taking nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, nicotinamide riboside, or niacin, you really want to talk to your doctor if you have a history of cancer or you have cancer.